Hi guys, it's Danny from Inglorious Fishing. It's currently Saturday morning. I'm a bit late, it's 9 o'clock. Sorry about the wind noise. And we'll go down to the boat, guys, and we're going to go do a little bit of fishing. I don't know what sort of fishing yet, but we'll go down to the boat and go fishing. So stay tuned. Let's be down at the boat. See you down there. So guys, made it down to the boat. It's an absolutely lovely day. There's a little onshore breeze. It's going to be blowing up to a force 4, force 5. So we're just going to go to the point, I reckon. So stay tuned. I'm going to get the boat ready and we'll start making our way out there. So guys, the boat's all prepped. The engine's nice and running. Let's start making our way out there. Let's go and get those fish and those lobsters, baby. Guys, we've arrived at the point. I apologise for any wind noise in advance. There's a few boats up here with us. I've got no bait as usual. You know me, guys, I don't buy bait, so I'll come out, I'll feather up my bait. I've got the feather rod ready. Here it is. Beautiful icon. So yeah, we've got the Pen Rival 20 on it. Stay tuned. I'm going to get these feathers down from Andy Low and hopefully we'll get some mackerel and then we can get some blinds down. Hopefully get some Turbot. Let's do this. Right, got fish on here. Little Macko Wacko. That'll do though, we're happy with that, that's some bait. Let's get down there, there's still some markings right now. So hopefully we can hit into a few more mackerel. I'll leave the camera on. Hopefully we can get a few more of these and then get, oh, was that a hit? Get a few more of these baits. Come on. Mackerel's got, the fishing's got to be one of the best fishing. Yeah, fish on. Quite well mackerel. I think this is just one. Yeah, picking them off one by one. Beautiful looking fish though. Top bait, that's for sure. Right. See if we can get a few more. See if we can, as we're coming off the bait, see if there's a couple more there. We'll get a few more baits and then we'll get some bottom lines down. Hopefully a Tope or a Turbot or a Brill or Ray. Bass, who knows? Yep, fish on, guys. I think it's just a single one again. Just singling them out. I don't think that there's two here. It's coming up too easy. There is as well. There's two. Beautiful sized mackerel. Those are the ones you want. A bit rough out here today. Big shoal or something down there, guys. Right on the seabed right now. I'm going to race down there as quick as I can. Well, guys, mackerel on. Off the back of the boat here. I don't know if it's one or two. It might just be one. 2, 3, 4. Some nice live little baits there. Absolutely beautiful. We'll get them off the hole, they're going to be baked. Fish on. Not big mackerel. We've got both our lines down there. I've got a full mackerel on one, flappered, and I've got a mackerel fillet as well. So hopefully, these two bottom lines down, we can either get a turbot, brill, bass, anything like that, guys. Hopefully, get some decent fish. So, guys, I bought the bottom rods up. Absolute waste of time. We haven't even had a dogfish, not even a bite on them, and those are on mackerel flappers and mackerel fillets. So. It's a bit rough, it's a bit blowy, so like I say again, sorry for the wind noise, but we're going to start making our way up to the lobster pots now. Hopefully you've got a few lobsters. Let's go and do it. So guys, first string's up, first pot, we've got absolutely nothing. We'll just clear a bit of the weed out the traps. You always want to keep your traps clear of any weed. That way the lobsters will, the trap be working properly. So, second pot, we've got a couple of lobsters. I don't know if they're inside. There's one. I think he's going to be too small. And there's number two. That's got a broken claw. That claw's worse for wear. But yeah, definitely too small, I reckon. Let's have a quick measure up. That lobster's just under the one that is like millimetre under. So I'm going to get a photo of him in a bit. And he's under as well, guys. So that's it for the first string. Going to bait these up and we'll play them back out. Stay tuned. So guys, the creel pots are up and they did absolutely poor. Just got velvet swimming crab, horrible looking crabs these. Brown edibles, not even in size, nowhere near in size. And yeah, that's it guys. That's it for the first one. Make sure all the traps, the entrances are clear of any weed. Like I say, you don't want that, otherwise it will hamper your fishing. And second pot, brown edible, another brown edible, another brown edible, and another brown edible. So pretty poor on the creel pot front guys. So stay tuned, we'll do the other two sets, the smash fishing set and the Peter Goodbear set. Hopefully we'll get some more. To the third set. So guys, third string's up and it's an absolute waste of time. Eaten velvet swimming crab, brown edible crab. That's it. Nothing else to show in that one. Second pot, one brown edible crab. Now guys, that's it. One brown edible. Waste of time. I think a couple of weeks ago we did really well in the pots. And smash fishing pot. Got wrasse. Lovely little wrasse that, beautiful colours on it. Lovely wrasse. But yep, back that goes. So stay tuned guys, I'm going to bait this up. We've got one last string, the Peter Goodbear string. Hopefully it does us well. So guys, last string's up, the Peter Goodbear string. The first pot, we have 1, 2 little lobsters, absolute prawns. They're no good for no one then, so they'll be going back. And velvet swimming crab, female spider crab, let's turn that off, and brown edible, small brown edible. Second pot, I have a spider crab and another spider crab, brown edible crab, small one again, no good to no one. Oh. Another lobster. He's not going to be in, I don't think. We've got no keepers today. Back of the eye socket to the back of the carapace, and he's not in, guys. Not in by about 5 mil. So I'm going to get a photo of those anyway, guys. So yeah, stay tuned. That's it for the lobster pots. We're going to be chucking them back out, and yeah, start making our way in. So guys, that's another episode of Inglorious Fishing. We went out targeting mackerel, turbot and tope, and all we had was mackerel. So, not really a good trip. There wasn't a lot of fish around, not even mackerel, guys. So, yeah, a bit of a bad trip, that one. But we went and did lobster pots as well. And we had loads of lobsters, just all too small. So, hopefully we can get some big ones next time. So, we're going out tomorrow, guys. I hope you join us. I hope you watch all the other videos that I've made, guys. Check out the playlist on my channel here. There's plenty of fishing. I think we've got over 300 videos, so soon keep you entertained for a bit. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. It's Inglorious Fishing. Thanks for watching, guys. You're the best.